Hey, good morning, everybody. Orr here, near the White Tank Mountains in Surprise, Arizona. It's beautiful out. It's about 78 degrees. It's going to be 114 today, according to the weather forecast. But yeah, everything's good in the neighborhood. You'll notice that right from here over, these are my neighbors in the back. The trees, I had a huge tree. It almost covered that entire house up. At least they couldn't look down in there um, very much. And they had this jacaranda, and I think they just let it die. I heard them once say they didn't like trees. It's just fucking crazy. But hey, happy Father's Day, everybody. Hey, it's time to cut those American gangsters down over here in the cat box. Yeah, it's they're pretty raggedy. I've abused them. Just let them go. It's going to be 114 today if I didn't say that. So things are looking pretty warm out here. So it's time. You'll see. I'm going to put them in the. I've got the Infusium 420. I'm going to make a video included in this. I'm going to use those just for infusing some butter. So I'll show you that process. But let's go over there and see what they look like right now. And yeah, I know. In the comments, I know they're. Yeah, I let them go. But the totem pole that stood between them was a Caribbean Dream, and that's some good stuff. It had an 18-inch cola, and it was good. I've got it jarred up. So, anyways, let's go over there and take a look. All right, here we are. I went through and just kind of grabbed a hold of them. I'll show you, and just. All the dead leaves and stuff. But there it is. American Gangster 123 Fat Buds over in Virginia. Rick, I know I let these girls, I let them go. I hope the Cannabis Protection Services doesn't haul my ass off. But yeah, that'll go into that Infusium 420. I've got a decarber and then the blender thing that pretty neat little thing. So while we're out here, let's go look at the other plants that are out in the back here also. Hello, Mr. Frog. Cherry tomatoes, good bird food. Well, here we go. Hey, look at the crazy black girls here. That's a cross between 123 Fat Buds, Sirius Black, and my crazy girl. So interesting. I'm going to leave all three of these in here. I did pull one out right over here, but I've bent them over pretty much. We'll just see what happens here. It's hot out, and I planted these late. All right, this is a Blue Dream. You know, whoops, can't get too close. Yeah, the leaves have a little bit of whatever on them. I'm not sure what's going on with those. It's filling in, yeah, and this one is also. You know, if I can, if they're trying to totem on me, that's what I call it, when they just get one single cola. It has to do with the heat or the intense sunlight, but these are in the shade for quite a few hours before the sun actually hits them. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. So there you have it with those. Those are all fat, 123 Fat Buds. That's a Caribbean Dream. This is a Caribbean Dream also. And this is a Blue Dream. And then, of course, we got the crazy black girls. All right, I'm going to head on in, and we'll be, in a moment, I'm going to go over and cut those two dwarfs out of the cat box.